I'm Anna Maria, and I joined Diet Weight Loss Centers in April, and over 6 months I lost just over 70 pounds. I have tried programs on my own, national programs through my doctor, and I've done everything fad-wise down to a cabbage soup diet. Well, initially the staff that answered the phone was very welcoming and inviting, so it encouraged me to come in for a consultation. When I met with the counselor and we talked about what my challenges were and what the program entailed and what my options were, it was very clear to me how passionate and how personally invested everybody in the office was. And without a doubt at that moment I made the decision that I was in the right place. Going in